In this video, I'm going to show you why your text mesh isn't working with the Boolean modifier and how to fix the problem. In Blender, you can create a text mesh object by pressing Shift A and text. I'm going to rotate this on the x-axis to see it better, and press G and X to move it over here. So here we have a text object like this. When you press Tab, instead of moving stuff around like on the cube, it lets you change the letters with a predetermined font, which you can change in the settings over here. So when you have a text, you right click on it and press Convert to Mesh. When you do this, it becomes an object that is no longer editable as text, but as a mesh. If you press E to extrude, and extrude it back, and then move it to fit in the cube like this, then you create the Boolean modifier on the cube and select the text. What should happen is, if you hide the text, a hole appears, but a hole is not appearing. The problem is, the text mesh is inside out. So, if we select all of the text by pressing A, and then press Shift N, we get this little tab here. Basically, it recalculates the normals so that it's no longer thinks everything is inside out. If we hide the text now, we see the cutout. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful to you, please click that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you'll know when I post new videos.